शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता या वीणा गिरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती निःशेष जाड्यापहा।
As you know, okay, once again I want to introduce myself here in Venkateswara. I'm a Regional Director of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Telangana State. And thanks to our chief guest and our guests from various organizations, and I thanks to you all people for accepting our training program within a short period. And I thanks to your concerned commissioners also, directors, for nominating of you for this program. As you know that it is a 3-day program on National Skills Quality Framework. Now last 3 weeks back we have planned and have a interaction with the concerned commissioners of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra and Telangana. Because of election problem, I think Madhya Pradesh.
I think 4 or 5 will come.
Okay, right, no problem, no, it's all right, okay. Because you are having some election problem. Okay. Look, you from what is the background? We want to establish some syllabus and course curriculum, and this has been established in 2015.